Hey Code Crushers, are you ready to level up your Figma workflow with AI? In this video, I'll show you 10 incredible Figma plugins that can transform how you design. Let's dive in. First, we have Magician, an AI-powered plugin that generates creative icons, text, and design ideas based on simple prompts. It's a go-to tool for brainstorming. Next is Wireframe Designer, which helps you create wireframes in minutes, saving time in the early design stages. For realistic content in your designs, Content Reel provides text, images, and avatars to make your mockups look professional. Pair that with Unsplash, a plugin that gives you instant access to high-quality stock images directly in Figma. Need to stay organized? Figma AutoName automatically names your layers, keeping your projects clean and easy to navigate. Automator further simplifies your workflow by automating repetitive tasks like resizing or aligning layers. When it comes to icons, Iconify is a lifesaver with its extensive library of thousands of icons. For visual refinement, Remove BG allows you to remove backgrounds from images in just one click, eliminating the need for external tools. A must-try is Charts, which lets you easily create and customize charts directly in Figma for data-driven projects. And lastly, Blobs generates organic shapes and patterns that add a unique touch to your designs. These plugins are game changers for Figma users, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Try them out and share your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips.